whenever you're ready, Meg, you can do what you need to do, and then alert him. There you go.
Good boy.
He's like, I really want to bite.
Now
his bite will be 10 times harder.
Yeah, now he needs to bite. So you can take that
Now
off
he
and
really?
use bite.
His bite is way harder after you piss him off.
Because he's pissed. He didn't get the bite. So Steinberg, when he takes the bite,
That's
as
so
cool.
cool.
Possible, make sure he knows that he's winning. Once he takes the bite, you can move your arm, not your body, and then just wait to listen for her to call him up. Okay?
I know, you're pissed. Don't worry, we'll come. Oh, that. Mind if I throw this out here?
Oh.
Just tighten up.
Watch him.
Say more. You got a nice one shot.
Is he good?
You're fighting away.
Is he good?
Yeah, he's
Alright?
Oh my god, he flew!
Dude, the ones in the park, one of them, he's like,
Oh, yeah.
as soon as he hits the ground though, he's like,